Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the world's top destinations, cultures and cuisines. Today we're diving into the continent of Africa, which is known for its vibrant culture and delicious food. Join us as we explore the top African countries with the most delectable cuisine. Ethiopia. Ethiopian cuisine is known for its unique spices and flavors. One of the most popular dishes is injera, a spongy flatbread made from teff flour that's served with stews and curries. Another must-try dish is doro wat, a spicy chicken stew made with berbere, a fiery spice blend that's unique to Ethiopia. Nigeria. Nigerian cuisine is as diverse as the country itself, with over 500 different ethnic groups. One of the most popular dishes is jollof rice, a flavorful dish made with rice, tomatoes, peppers, and spices. Another popular dish is egusi soup, made with melon seeds and vegetables, and usually served with pounded yam. Morocco. Moroccan cuisine is a fusion of African, Arab, and Mediterranean influences, with a focus on aromatic spices and slow cooking techniques. One of the most famous dishes is tagine, a stew made with meat, vegetables, and spices that's slow cooked in a clay pot. Another popular dish is couscous, a fluffy grain that's often served with a spicy meat or vegetable stew. South Africa. South African cuisine is known for its hearty and flavorful dishes, often made with game meats and fresh seafood. One of the most iconic dishes is boerewors, a type of sausage made with beef and pork, seasoned with spices like coriander and cloves. Another popular dish is bunny chow, a spicy curry served in a hollowed-out loaf of bread. Senegal. Senegalese cuisine is a blend of West African, French, and Portuguese influences, with a focus on seafood and spicy stews. One of the most popular dishes is tiboudien, a spicy fish and rice dish made with vegetables and tomato sauce. Another popular dish is yassa, a chicken or fish dish marinated in lemon and served with onions and rice. You see, Africa has a rich and diverse culinary scene that's not to be missed. Whether you're in Ethiopia, Nigeria, Morocco, South Africa, or Senegal, you're sure to find something delicious to try. Which African country do you want to visit to try its cuisine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and food content. Thanks for watching.